All right, good afternoon, folks. So I had some people write in that enjoyed seeing the video yesterday about how to trade during times of volatility, and really haven't had too much volatility today. It's just another kind of slow Friday afternoon session, but today has been really a textbook day in across really a bunch of different markets. Having a good day across the S&P, crude oil, bonds, and even some of the currencies. Looking at the 5-minute again today on the S&P and crude oil, so I had some people kind of wanted to see some more examples, and just happened to be that we had a really good day in these two markets. So the S&P 5-minute trade, we had a 1, 2, 3 top form in the European session around 3 or 4 a.m. I was not up. I was sleeping soundly at that time, but when I woke up, I noticed that I still saw the pattern or the play in action. And as I stated in yesterday's video, I'm not really interested in trading these moves right into 200-day moving average support. But I did watch this, and it did stay on the radar. And you can see that we tested it once, we tested it twice, we tested it 3 times. And more often than not, on that 4th test is when we usually end up getting that breakdown, which is what we got right here. So what we did is, you can see we have this kind of trend line here. The RSI is, making lower highs or lower prints, and the market's just kind of, waffling around here, indecisive at this 200-day moving average. And on that 4th attempt, we finally get a breakdown below the 200-day, which carried it from 3108 to its 3102 profit objective for about 6 points. Now, this is another trade that I typically don't take because of how far the moving averages are spread apart, but we did get a trade back up. We had lower lows of the session, but higher highs on the RSI, which I don't know if you can see, but we have this divergence down here. And so that's a pretty solid trade. We're also coming down into a key level of 3101. So that was a move up from 02 back up to 06 for another 4 points. Now, if we take a look at crude oil, which is over here on the right, let's move that over. You can see we've had a really good session in crude oil, about 3 trades here. So here at 6 a.m., we had a cross of the shorter-term moving averages, a couple of retests of the breakout area from 58.30 up to 58.50. So it's about a 20-cent move or $200 a contract. Here we have another potential, or here we have a short setup here. Higher highs, lower lows on the RSI. Cross of the moving average gives us a break at 58.35 down to 58. So another 35 cents or $350 a contract. And then we come over here and flip to the long side. Multiple tests of this low here. We do have a spread there on the averages, so I'm not too interested in taking that trade. We finally start to get across here, which gives us confirmation at 57.85, taking us up to 58 cents, or $58. So we have about anywhere from 60 to 70 cents of potential profit, or $600 or $700 per contract there on just crude oil alone. So really kind of a textbook day. There's a couple of, still have a few hours left in the session. Probably a good day or a good time to just go ahead and close out the platform and go enjoy your afternoon. So if you have any questions about that, let us know. Support at seasonalswingtrader.com, and we'll see you on the next update.